What's going on, everybody? Welcome back for another at lunch adventure. So this video pertains to the guys that only have the Hemi engines in their Rams with the EGR valve. If you do not have an EGR valve, this doesn't pertain to you. So if you have a bad or rough idle, your Hemi Ram has an EGR valve on it, you need to check that. It should be normally closed. The way it operates is that it lets a minute or small amount of exhaust gas back into your intake. If it's hung open, then it's just flooding your engine with exhaust gases. So we're gonna hop under the truck real quick. I'll show you where it's supposed to be, but my truck doesn't have one. So here we go, man. We're on the passenger side of the truck. This is the passenger side head. Your EGR valve would be located right underneath your alternator right here. So if you have one and a rough idle, look into replacing it, and that's that. So keep living the dream, doing your thing, and I'm out.